Hi students, welcome back to my channel Evolve Solving Physics. Today we are going to discuss some more problems based on parallelogram law. So we have already discussed some problems in previous classes. We are going to discuss some more problems based on parallelogram law. So what they have given means a particle is moving eastwards with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So one of the particle is moving eastwards. This is east, this is west, and this is north, and this is south. So one particle is moving with velocity of 5 meter per second is vi, that is 5 meter per second, moving in east direction. In 10 seconds, in 10 seconds means t equals 10 seconds, the velocity changes to 5 meter per second in northwards. So first it is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. After 10 seconds the velocity changes to 5 meter per second in north direction, that is Vf equals to 5 meter per second. So find the average acceleration in this time. So for this time they say to find the average acceleration. So a bar average we should find, question mark. So this represents x-axis, this represents y-axis. So y-axis means the unit vector is j cap, so phi j cap. So this is phi I cap because it is moving in east direction, represents x-axis. So Vf bar equals Vi bar equals to phi I cap, Vf bar equals to phi j cap. So we know that what is the formula for average acceleration? Delta V bar by delta t. So delta V bar means Vf bar minus Vi bar by t. So what is Vf here? Phi j cap minus phi I cap. So east direction represents x-axis, so I am writing it as phi I cap, that is Vi, and Vf after 10 seconds it is moving with the velocity changes to 5 meter per second in north direction, represents y-axis, so I am writing as phi j cap. So substituting here by 10, so by 10, so we got average acceleration as phi j cap minus phi I cap by 10. So apply magnitude on both sides. Magnitude on both sides. So magnitude of average acceleration is equal to magnitude of phi j cap minus phi I cap by 10. So magnitude you can find it as phi whole square plus minus of phi whole square. So you can by 10. So phi square is 25 plus 25 by 10. So root 50 by 10. Root 50 can be written as 25 2's 50 by 10. So phi square into 2 by 10. So this can be written as phi root 2 by 10. Phi 1's, phi 2's. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 will cancel. Answer will be 1 by root 2. So average acceleration is 1 by root 2. So why I am applying magnitude on both sides? Because they say to find the average acceleration. They did not say to find average acceleration vector. This is an vector, average acceleration vector. So to convert into a scalar means we have to apply magnitudes on both sides. So we will get an average acceleration, that is 1 by root 2. Answer will be 1 by root 2. So next problem is two vectors a bar and b bar have equal magnitudes. So they said that two vectors a bar and b bar have equal magnitudes, that is magnitude of a bar equals to magnitude of b bar, a equals to b, given two vectors having equal magnitude. For the magnitude of a bar plus b bar to be larger than the magnitude of a bar minus b bar by a factor n, what must be the angle between them? So also given that magnitude of a bar plus b bar is larger than n times the magnitude of a bar minus b bar. So we know that we know that when, so as they are saying that magnitude of A bar plus B bar is larger than n times of magnitude of A bar minus B bar. They have given that. By giving that, they said to find angle between them. Angle between them means angle between these two terms. So we know that when A equals to B, that is magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar. We have already calculated that magnitude of A bar plus B bar will be 2A cos theta by 2. When two vectors magnitudes are equal, the magnitude of A bar plus B bar is 2A cos theta by 2 and magnitude of A bar minus B bar is equal to 2A sin theta by 2. We have already discussed in special cases in previous class that when two magnitudes of vectors are equal, the two values are 2A cos theta by 2 and 2A sin theta by 2. Substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute 2 in 1. So what you will get here? 2A cos theta by 2 n into 2A sin theta by 2. So by equating this, we are going to find the angle between them. So 2 will be cancelled, A will be cancelled. So what we will get here? Cos theta by 2 is equal to n sin theta by 2. So send cos to right hand side. You will get 1 equals to n sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Send n to left hand side. 1 by n equals to sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Next, tan theta by 2 equals to 1 by n. We want angle theta here. Send tan to right hand side. It will become tan inverse. Theta by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 by n. So you want theta here. Send 2 to right hand side. It will be multiplied. 2 tan inverse 1 by n. This is the angle between when two magnitudes are equal and magnitude of A bar plus B bar is to be larger than the n times of magnitude of A bar minus B bar. So this is the angle between two vectors, that is A bar and B bar. So by giving these two terms, they said to find angle theta. So we have found theta equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by n. So the next problem is the resultant of two forces whose magnitudes are in the ratio of 3:5 is 28 Newton. So what they have given, the resultant of two forces is 28 Newton. So R equals to 28 Newton. And whose magnitudes are in ratio. So F1 and F2 are in ratio 3:5. So the magnitudes are in ratio has 3:5. They have given that. They did not given magnitudes of individual forces. So we are considering F1 as one force, that is 3x, and F2 as another force 5x. If the angle of their inclination is 60 degrees, theta equals to 60 degrees. This is the 60 degrees angle between F1 and F2. Find the magnitude of each force. To find magnitude of individual forces, so we are considering it as F1 equals to 3x and F2 as 5x, and they have given R as 28 Newton and theta as 60 degrees. To find the magnitude of individual forces means that in magnitude of each force. So R equals to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. This is parallelogram law. R is 28, that is equal to F1 is 3x whole square plus 5x whole square plus 3x into 5x into cos theta. So why I am considering it as 3x and 5x? I have given the magnitudes of two forces ratio. So I am considering 3:5 as 3x and 5x for F1 and F2. By using that, we are going to find the value of x with the help of R equals to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. We are going to find the value of x. After finding the value of x, by substituting x values here, we are going to get the magnitudes of each force. So 28 is equal to 9x square plus 3 square is 9, x square is x square. 5 square x square, 25 x square plus 5, 3 to 6, 6 5, 30 x square, x into x square cos theta. So what they have given theta as 60 degrees. So 28 equals to 9x square plus 25x square is 34x square plus 30x square into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 15s. So 28 equals to 34x square plus 15x square. 34 plus 15 is 49. 28 equals to 49x square. So these can be written as 7x whole square. Square 49 can be written as 7 square x square. Square root will be cancelled. 28 equals to 7x. X equals to 28 by 7. 7 fours 28. So x value is 4. So F1 is 3x. So 3 into 4, that is 12 Newton. And F2 is 5x, that is equal to 5 into 4, 20 Newton. So magnitude of two forces are 12 Newton and 20 Newton. So when they have given the magnitudes in the form of ratio, you should consider it as 3x with x value. Multiply the given ratios with x and find the value of x. By substituting the value of x, you will get the magnitudes of each forces. So next problem is the resultant of two vectors p bar and q bar is r bar. We all know that the resultant of two vectors p bar and q bar is r bar. They said that if the magnitude of q bar is doubled, the second vector magnitude is doubled, the new resultant is perpendicular to p bar. When magnitude of second vector is doubled, then the resultant is perpendicular to b bar. So this is a resultant p bar and this is q bar. So here magnitude of q bar is doubled, that is 2q. Then the resultant is perpendicular to p bar, means the alpha will becomes 90 degrees. So we all discussed that the angle between first vector and resultant is alpha. So they said that as magnitude of q bar is doubled, the resultant is perpendicular to p bar. So here resultant is perpendicular to p bar, then the angle happened between p bar and r is 90 degrees. The magnitude of, in such a case, the magnitude of r bar, when magnitude of q bar is doubled and the resultant is perpendicular to p bar, they say to find the magnitude of resultant, that is r. So we have here alpha equals to 90 degrees sin theta by p plus 2q sin cos theta, cos theta. So tan alpha is q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. So tan 90 is infinity is equal to 2q sin theta by p plus 2q cos theta. So p plus 2q cos theta. So this can be written as, infinity can be written as 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So 2q sin theta, infinity is 1 by 0. Sin theta by p plus 2q cos theta. So make cross multiplication. So 1 into p plus 2q cos theta is equal to 0 into 2q sin theta. So p plus 2q cos theta is equal to 0. So they say to find r. R is equal to question mark. When q bar, magnitude of q bar is doubled and r is perpendicular to p bar, they say to find r here. So r equals to under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. So this can be written as q square plus p square plus 2pq cos theta. So from these two terms we can make the common of p here. So what you will get here, these consider as equation 1. So q square plus p common means p plus 2q cos theta. So if you multiply p with p square, p with 2q cos theta is 2pq cos theta. So 2 plus p plus 2 cos theta value is 0 from 1. Under root q square plus p into 0. This value is 0. You can see here from 1. So what you will get here? R equals to under root q square. Square root will be cancelled. R equals to q. So the new resultant is R equals to q. The magnitude of resultant is equal to magnitude of second vector, that is q, when magnitude of q bar is doubled and R is perpendicular to p bar. So, and the answer will be R equals to q. R bar is q. So these are some problems based on parallelogram law. If anyone have doubts, please comment me in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.